It's a Tasty Tuesday. As much as we do. So the first one that we're doing is the Disney Dole Whip. And we have our vanilla ice cream. I'm doubling this recipe just so that one of my coworkers and I can have it afterwards. I'm very generous on my scoop of ice cream. So again, as I said, I'm doubling the recipe. So I'm doing 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. The trick that I found out earlier this morning is you really need to use frozen pineapple. So I have 2 cups here of frozen pineapple. And then 8 ounces, which is 1 cup of pineapple juice. Put it in our little blender here. And there we have our Disney Dole Whip. Doesn't that look great? I would also suggest if you would like it a little thicker, maybe like an ice cream puree later, instead of the smoothie type, you could put it in the freezer, let it harden up there a little bit, just so that it could be more like an ice cream server. Okay, secondly, we're going to do the Beauty and the Beast, the gray stuff. Let me move some stuff around here. Get my little food processor. Okay, you do need a large bowl. We need 1.5 cups of milk. Perfect. Then we need our vanilla pudding instant. We need a whole package of that. It's a 3.5 ounce instant vanilla pudding mix. You're gonna whisk those 2 things together real quick till it gets all smooth. That's pretty good. Then we're going to use, my cord's not very long, but we're going to use the food processor here. You need 15 Oreo cookies. I've already done 8 of them. So we're going to do 7 more. Get that finely chopped up for you. We're going to put both of these for our total of 15 Oreo cookies. I'm gonna mix this up. You're going to add an 8 ounce container of Cool Whip or whipped topping. And I set mine out a little bit before the show just so it was easier to scoop out. and it wasn't frozen. Then you need a tablespoon of the instant chocolate pudding. Not a whole bag, just 1 tablespoon of that. Put that in there. And then you mix all of this together. So it doesn't take too long. And this is called the gray stuff, and this is from Beauty and the Beast. And I know the recipe called for scalloped cookies. I did not have scalloped cookies. I did have vanilla wafers. I thought those would be good on them. It's like a shortbread cookie as well, so I thought that would still taste just fine. Here is our gray stuff that I mixed up, thoroughly mixed up from this morning. And then I made chocolate cupcakes because I thought that that sounded delicious. And I just am going to put a little bit of this topping on there. And I bet this is tasty. Doesn't that look awesome? Okay. Then our third recipe for today. Just a simple jungle juice. This one is the easiest of all 3 recipes today. You need a cup. You need orange juice, passion fruit juice, and guava juice. You do equal parts of all 3. So I'm just going to do a 1/2 cup of the jungle juice, or I'm sorry, yeah, of the guava juice. 1/2 cup of the passion fruit. And they serve this at a couple different places at Disney. We got the recipe from the Animal Kingdom Lodge. They serve this with breakfast. This would be a great drink to have in the morning. Oh, and look, we have Goofy here. Let's see if he'll give it a taste.
It reminds me just like the Tusker house at Animal Kingdom. Good stuff.
All right. Okay, now we're going to quickly go over our character quotes that we posted yesterday. We do have 10 of those, and I'm going to give you those answers. Thank you for everyone who submitted their guesses yesterday. We do greatly appreciate that, and our marketing department will be tagging those Cinderella posters for you. But if you still would like to get a Cinderella poster, this is commemorating their anniversary edition poster. If you have a favorite Disney recipe, why don't you make a comment in our section below with your favorite Disney recipe. We'd like to hear what you guys like as well. Okay, so our 10 quotes. Mickey Mouse said, "To laugh at yourself is to love yourself." Raven from the Teen Titans, "I don't do fear." Anna from Frozen, "Love is an open door." Everybody should know this one, all-time favorite. Mary Poppins. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. Winnie the Pooh. The things that make me different are the things that make me. There's no one I'd rather be than me. Wreck-It Ralph. You're never too old to be young. Snow White. Oh yes, the past can hurt, but you can either run from it or you can learn from it. Rafiki. Adventure is out there. Ellie from the movie Up. And our last one, Rapunzel, venture outside your comfort zone. The rewards are worth it. So thank you again today for joining us for Tasty Tuesday. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow for our Disney Character Word Wednesday Bingo. Thank you and have a good night.